Dear student, myself Shailesh Kumar, and now we are going to learn in this video the chapter sets important topic that is called the equal set. You people will given the so many sets, two or more than two sets, and you will have to decide these sets are equal or not. So firstly, you must come to know what is the concept of the equal sets. Equal sets are those sets where the number of the sets and the physically feature of the set are same. If there is a little bit difference, then say they set are not equal. So to learn all the concept, so many statements and the various types of questions are given and solved in this video, so that you may get 100% concept clarity. So students, don't skip any part of this video to get the 100% perfection in this topic that is called the equivalent set. So students, let us start with the video of the chapter set that is named equal sets. Dear student, in this video we are going to learn the concept of equal sets. If two sets are equal, then their members are exactly same. Okay? If they are exactly same and their counting should be same, it means their cardinal number and the physical appearance of the members of the sets should be same. So our first question is, set P involves the member ABCD and QDACB. We know if the members in the set are written, they can be written in any order. Order, it doesn't matter in the set. Okay, so position doesn't matter of the member in the set, but you can see here that here A is present, then A is also in the set Q. B is there, B is also there in the Q set. C is there and C is also in Q set. And in P, D is there and in Q, D is also there. No other members is there in any set. So the members of the two sets P and Q are exactly same. Therefore, I can write that P set is equal to Q set. Now, set A. Set A is having the three names Anil, Suresh, Prem and Hari. And you may see the set B. Here, Anil is here and Anil is also here. Now, Suresh is there in A and Suresh is also in B. Prem is in A set and Prem is also present in B. And Hari is there in A and Hari is also there in B. Student, I already told you that position of the member doesn't matter in the set, but they must be same in both the sets to make the set equal. So here all the four members of the set A and the four members of the set B are same. Therefore, I can write that set A is equal to set B. Now, the third one is set M. It is having R and set N is having R, E in M, but there is no E in M. D is there in M and D is also in N. Now, here E is there and here A is here. One member of the set M is not same as the set member of the set N. So, set M is not equal to set N. Okay, students. Now, our next question is, students in the class who are more than 50-year-old. Now, 50-year-old students you will found nowhere in any class. Also, therefore, how many members are there in set? no member is there in the set. So whenever there is no member in the set, how many members in the set? That is clear. No member mean the cardinal number of the set is 0. Okay. Now let us go for the second statement. Month of the year whose name begin with R. Now no month of the year begin with the English alphabet R. So if you make the set, then how many member are there in the set? No member will be there. So how many member? The 0. Therefore the cardinal number of both the sets A and B is 0. Okay. So both of these are equal. A set is equal to B set. Now student, you may see set R. Set of girls name beginning with J. Now student, you can say there may be so many names. Those are beginning with J of the girls. Okay. Now what is the sets S? You can see John, Jean, Judy and Julie. Only 4 names are there, but we know that there may be a various type of name. There may be name which may having more than 4 in counting, more than 6 in counting, more than 40 in counting. So I can't definitely say that the member of this set will be same as the member of the set S, because here the only 4 names are there, but here no name is given. So I can't say something about the equality of both these set students. So I will decide that set R is not equal to S. So I will write here that R set is not equal to S set. Now we are on the question A. Set of all whole numbers between 3 by 2 and 25 by 3. So first of all, we shall divide 3 by 2. It means 1.5. If we divide 3 by 2, you may see that this is 1.5. Now if you divide 25 by 3, then it is 8 and 1 by 3. 8 and 1 by 3. Now there are two numbers between. We have to write the set of whole numbers. Those are starting from 1 and before 8. So these may be 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Okay, this set will be A. Now what is on the other part? The set B is given 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 is there. Okay, but 8 is not there, because in this statement we are being given that we have to write the set of whole numbers which are lying between 1.5 and 8 and 1 by 3. So 1 and 8 are not included. Here you see this set is having member 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, but the set B is having different from these members. So we can decide that set A is not equal to set B student. So I will write A set is not equal to B students. Okay. Now the next question is, it is having 3 parts. Now the first one is A part. The set J of whole numbers from 1 to 5 inclusive. So what will be the roster form of this? I will write 1 and 5 are inclusive. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Now, and what is the set K? The elements are being given here. The set L of the numbers of faces of a die. So you can see 2 dice before you student. Now I pick one
and show you its faces. The one is 3. I write it 3, and other is 1, then 4, then 5, then 6, and 4 is there, and this one is 2. Okay, no other face is there, students, so I will write it set. Okay, so all the 6 faces are there, and you have seen these. Now we can judge that which set are same. 1 2 3 4 5. Here this is 0. 0 is not in any set, and no among these 3 set are same. So we can say set J is not equal to set K is not equal to set L. Okay, students? So in this way, students, we have studied the concept of equal sets. So students, if you like this video, then please subscribe our channel Think Math, Think Different, Zara Hatke, and also press the bell icon to get the notification of the latest videos so that you may get benefited for the mathematics topics. Thank you.